What if the very money rules you've been told to follow your entire life are the exact chains holding you back from building real wealth? Society conditions us with so-called safe financial habits. Save every penny, never take risks, avoid debt at all costs, stick to a steady paycheck, always buy instead of rent, put loyalty above opportunity, and keep money in the bank because it's secure. But here's the harsh truth. The ultra-wealthy didn't get rich by blindly following these rules. They broke them strategically. The first trap is obsessive saving. Saving alone only protects you from going broke. It will never make you wealthy, because money sitting in a bank is quietly eaten alive by inflation, while the rich turn their cash into assets that multiply. The second rule is the fear of risk. Average people avoid risk, but the wealthy know that controlled, calculated risk is the only bridge to financial freedom. Every great fortune is tied to a moment someone said yes when everyone else said no. The third is demonizing debt. Society teaches you debt is poison, but the rich use good debt like a weapon, leveraging it to buy cash-flowing assets while others drown in bad consumer loans. The fourth is clinging to one paycheck. Millions think stability is safety, but the wealthy know that true security is multiple streams of income, so that no single boss or industry controls their life. The fifth is the myth that buying a house is the ultimate goal. For many, it becomes a financial prison, while the wealthy often rent strategically and put their capital into ventures that actually generate cash. The sixth is blind loyalty to jobs or companies. Rich people pivot quickly. They move where opportunities grow, while others waste decades waiting for promotions that never come. And the seventh rule, the illusion of safety in keeping money locked in banks. Banks use your deposits to grow their fortunes, while you settle for crumbs in interest rates. But the wealthy put money where it multiplies. Businesses, investments, and scalable ideas. Breaking these 7 rules doesn't mean being reckless. It means seeing beyond the illusions built to keep the majority in place. Ask yourself honestly, are these rules protecting you, or are they protecting the system? Because the day you decide to break them with strategy and courage is the day you stop living like everyone else and start building a life only the few ever reach. And that's exactly why the rich live by a completely different playbook than the one you were handed.